Welcome back to Gadget Waves, your trusted destination for discovering the most exciting, futuristic, and practical tech innovations from around the world. Whether you're a gadget lover, a tech-savvy traveler, or someone who simply enjoys upgrading life with smart tools, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 10 standout gadgets that blend cutting-edge design, intelligent features, and real-world usefulness. These aren't just cool devices, they're smart solutions that elevate your lifestyle. Let's get started.
We begin with the Scovac Mini Vacuum Induster. This compact 4-in-1 cleaning tool is designed for people who value cleanliness but don't want bulky gear. It's small enough to fit in your hand, yet powerful enough to suck up crumbs, dust, and debris from tight spaces like your car's dashboard, your laptop keyboard, or even your camera gear. The Scovac includes a built-in duster, multiple nozzle attachments, and a USB-C rechargeable battery that lasts for hours. Whether you're a commuter, a content creator, or just someone who likes a tidy workspace, this gadget is a game changer. It's portable, efficient, and surprisingly powerful for its size. The sleek design also makes it easy to store in a drawer or glove compartment, and the dual functionality means you're always ready to tackle messes wherever they pop up. Now let's shift to something that blends sustainability with smart engineering. The Shine 2.0 Wind Turbine Generator. This portable wind turbine is designed for outdoor adventurers, campers, and anyone who wants off-grid power without relying on solar. It generates up to 50 watts of clean energy and folds down into a compact form that fits easily in your backpack. Setup takes less than 2 minutes, and once it's spinning, you can charge your phone, camera, or even a small laptop via USB-C. The onboard battery stores energy for later use, and the turbine is built to withstand tough weather conditions. Shine 2.0 isn't just a gadget, it's a statement about energy independence and eco-conscious living. It's perfect for emergency kits, travel bloggers, or anyone who wants reliable power in remote locations. Plus, its lightweight build and intuitive setup make it one of the most user-friendly wind generators on the market. From the outdoors to your front door, let's talk about the Philips Hue Wired Video Doorbell. This smart doorbell integrates seamlessly with the Hue ecosystem, offering HD video, two-way audio, and motion detection. But what makes it special is its ability to sync with your smart lighting. Imagine your porch light flashing or changing color when someone rings the bell. It's not just functional, it's futuristic. The wired setup ensures reliable performance, and it supports cloud storage, real-time alerts, and voice assistant integration. Whether you're home or away, you'll always know who's at your door. It's a sleek, secure, and intelligent addition to any smart home. The camera quality is crisp even in low light, and the app interface is intuitive, allowing you to customize alerts and responses. It's ideal for families, frequent travelers, or anyone looking to upgrade their home security with style.
Next up, the Snapmaker U1 Color 3D Printer, a dream machine for creators, designers, and engineers. This all-in-one device combines 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving in a modular, user-friendly design. What sets the U1 apart is its ability to print in full color using a direct color mixing system. That means your prototypes, figurines, or custom parts can come to life with vibrant detail. The Snapmaker software is intuitive and the build quality is top tier with a sturdy metal frame and precision motors. Whether you're crafting jewelry, building models, or experimenting with product design, the U1 gives you professional-grade results without the steep learning curve. It's perfect for makerspaces, classrooms, and small businesses looking to expand their creative capabilities. The modular design also means you can upgrade or swap out components as your needs evolve, making it a long-term investment in innovation. Let's pivot to health tech with the Withings BPM Vision. This isn't just a blood pressure monitor, it's a connected health station that fits in your hand. It measures blood pressure, heart rate, ECG, and even arterial stiffness, giving you a comprehensive view of your cardiovascular health. The built-in color display shows your results instantly, and everything syncs with the Withings app for long-term tracking. It's FDA-cleared, rechargeable, and designed for both clinical accuracy and home convenience. If you're serious about monitoring your health or just want peace of mind, this device is a smart investment. It's sleek, reliable, and packed with features that go beyond the basics. The app also includes personalized insights and reminders, helping you stay on top of your health goals. Whether you're managing a condition or just staying proactive, the BPM Vision makes health tracking effortless and empowering. Lighting gets an upgrade with the Libro TB1 AI Smart Table Lamp. This isn't just a lamp, it's a smart companion for your workspace or bedroom. With adaptive brightness, customizable color temperatures, and voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, the TB1 adjusts to your mood and task. Whether you're working late, reading, or relaxing, it creates the perfect ambience. The lamp also features gesture control, a built-in timer, and a minimalist design that fits any modern aesthetic. It's ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who wants lighting that responds to their needs. Smart, stylish, and surprisingly affordable. The TP1 also includes a focus mode that reduces blue light exposure, making it ideal for long study sessions or late-night work. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in comfort and productivity.
Now, let's talk travel with the ATO's L3 Pro Smart Riding Luggage. This futuristic suitcase doubles as a personal transporter, letting you ride through airports, convention centers, or large venues at speeds up to 8 miles per hour. It features an electric motor, GPS tracking, a TSA-approved lock, and a spacious interior for your essentials. The aluminum frame is durable, yet lightweight, and the intuitive controls make it easy to maneuver. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the L3 Pro turns heads and saves time. It's not just luggage, it's mobility reimagined. The battery life supports multiple rides per charge, and the app lets you track your luggage in real time. It's perfect for frequent flyers, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to make travel more fun and efficient. For drivers and road warriors, the 70-mi Dashcam 4K Omni is a must-have. This dashcam offers full 360-degree coverage in stunning 4K resolution, ensuring that every angle is captured with clarity. It features AI-powered motion detection, voice control, and real-time alerts for collisions or suspicious activity. The rotating lens eliminates blind spots, and the companion app makes it easy to review footage, share clips, or adjust settings. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just want peace of mind, the Omni delivers safety, convenience, and cutting-edge tech in one sleek package. It also includes parking surveillance and emergency recording, making it a reliable witness in any situation. The design is discreet and installation is simple, making it a great upgrade for any vehicle. Let's head back indoors with the Dream Cyber X stair-climbing robot vacuum. This isn't your typical robot cleaner. It's designed to tackle multi-level homes with ease. The Cyber X features a unique stair-climbing mechanism, advanced LiDAR navigation, and AI obstacle avoidance. It cleans carpets, hardwood, and tiles with powerful suction and precision mapping. Plus, it self-empties, supports app scheduling, and even recognizes rooms for customized cleaning routines. If you've ever wished your robot vacuum could handle stairs, this is the answer. It's smart, efficient, and built for real-world homes. The stair-climbing feature is a breakthrough for duplexes and split-level layouts, and the app lets you set cleaning zones, schedules, and preferences with ease. It's a premium device that delivers a truly hands-free cleaning experience.
And finally, the Ecovacs D-Bot X9 Pro Omni, a flagship robot vacuum and mop combo that redefines automated cleaning. With dual rotating mops, 8,000 pass suction, and AI-powered obstacle recognition, it adapts to your home in real time. The Omni Station handles everything: self-washing, drying, refilling, and even mop lifting when transitioning to carpet. It's whisper quiet, beautifully designed, and packed with features that make floor care effortless. Whether you live in a studio or a multi-room house, the X9 Pro Omni delivers a spotless clean with zero hassle. The water tank and dustbin are large enough for multiple cleaning cycles, and the app provides real-time updates and customization. It's the ultimate solution for busy households, pet owners, or anyone who wants pristine floors without lifting a finger. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you more amazing tech every week. Drop a comment below and let us know which gadget impressed you the most or what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching Gadget Waves, where the future is always just one click away.